can't help but obsess over the fact that.
All these, yeah, these people.
Well, I mean, you know, like, okay, if a movie of mine succeeded, I mean, really succeeded, I can totally imagine a Hollywood party. Hey, Saab, we're all going to Baja for spring break. Why don't you come with us? No, I gotta donate some money to Amnesty International. And just imagine the shit being talked behind my back after that. Oh, Saab, he doesn't have a life. You know, he succeeded, but he's not having any fun like we are. You know, I can just imagine, you know, the sentiment, the prevailing sentiment, you know, that would be said about me, you know, in you know, amongst my fellow filmmakers, you know, amongst the rest of Hollywood. I'm just waiting for them to make the mistake of saying something, you know, where I can hear it. They cuss the fuck out something quick. I mean, really, you know, I tell you what it reminds me of. Not the Batman Begins version, but the original comic book version of the character, the Scarecrow. Whenever they depict the origin of the character, at least, you know, in the original version of the character's origin, he is Professor Jonathan Crane is a professor, and his other professors are always talking about how, oh, look at the raggedy clothes he wears. He spends all his money on books. Why isn't he like us? You know, pimping, styling, and profiling. You know, you see what I mean? And I could totally see myself being the equivalent of that, at least in that one respect, insofar as Hollywood. You know, there is this notion that, and I've heard yuppies say this.